What are the differences between CPU and GPU? First, we will need to learn about that what is a CPU. So, what is a CPU? Constructed from billions of transistors, the CPU can have multiple processing cores and is commonly referred to as the brain of the computer. It is essential to all modern computing systems as it executes the commands and processes needed for your computer and operating system. The CPU is also important in determining how fast programs can run, from surfing the web to building spreadsheets. Now let's talk about what is a GPU. The GPU is a processor that is made up of many smaller and more specialized cores. By working together, the cores deliver massive performance when a processing task can be divided up across many cores at the same time or in parallel. The GPU is an integral component for modern gaming, enabling higher quality visuals and smoother gameplay. GPUs are also useful in artificial intelligence. Now, let's look at the differences between a CPU and a GPU. So, what is the difference between a CPU and a GPU? CPUs and GPUs have a lot in common. Both are critical computing engines, both are silicon based microprocessors, and both handle data. But CPUs and GPUs have different architectures and are built for different purposes. The CPU is suited to a wide variety of tasks, especially those for which latency or per core performance are important for tasks such as web browsing. A powerful execution engine, the CPU focuses its smaller number of cores on individual tasks and getting things done quickly. This makes it uniquely well equipped for jobs ranging from serial computing to running databases. GPUs began as specialized ASICs, that is, application specific integrated circuits designed for a specific purpose, such as accelerating specific 3D rendering tasks. Over time, these fixed function engines became more programmable and more flexible, while graphics and hyper realistic gaming visuals remain their principal function. GPUs have evolved to become more general purpose parallel processors as well, handling a growing range of applications, including AI. So these were the differences between CPU and GPU. Hopefully this was a helpful video for you all. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then please consider subscribing to the channel for daily technological and computer software hardware related videos. And please leave a like on this video if you like this video, and I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, bye bye.